Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will show SwiftUI built-in shape, suppose rectangle, circle, ellipse. So in this tutorial, how to show built-in shape in SwiftUI. At first, take a stack, B stack, and use the group. Center, use the type text, the SwiftUI. I set the foreground color blue dot frame max width dot infinity and alignment dot center. Take another text title built in shape example. Okay, we take the frame, we can copy, set it here. Okay, we will set it the top, so we use the spacer. When we use spacer, it will goes to the top. Okay. Sorry, I put here the dot. Okay. Now we will show the real example of built-in shape rectangle one by one. First, take the group, rectangle shape text. Here is the rectangle built-in class. This is the fill color, fill color dot yellow, and you will see the yellow color, and we set the fixed size, a frame size width 100 and height 100. Okay, we can set spacer into this below this group. Okay, so here is the rectangle shape. This is the built-in class. Draw the rectangle shape. We fill the color by yellow color and set the size 100 by 100. Now we will show the rounded rectangle text round rectangle shape. Here is the built-in class or modifier rounded rectangle. can set the corner radius 25 and set the style. Our style is continuous. Sorry, here is the corner radius 25. Here is the rectangle. Rounded rectangle is blank color by default. Now we'll fill the color by color fill. We will set the color. We'll set the color, suppose green. Then you will see the green color rectangle. Then we will make it fixed size with suppose with 100 and height 100. Okay, height 100. Okay, now we will make the capsule shape. Our text title name is capsule shape. Built-in class name or modifier capsule. As the capsule, when we will make and define the class or call the class or modifier, and we will show the built-in the black color. We will fill the color dot red, and then we will make the set the frame size. Frame size is with 100, height is 50. Okay, and then we will show the circular shape. Text circular shape. That is the circle class use, built-in class use, and fill the color by red and set the frame size with suppose is 80, height 80. Then is the circular shape. So in this tutorial, I wanted to show how to use the built-in shape, rectangle shape, rounded rectangle shape, capsule shape, and circular shape. Now we can run our project to iPhone X simulator. So here is our output, SwiftUI. Here is the name. Suppose our name is Builtin, built-in color. Built-in color. Okay. So here is our output: built-in shape, rectangle, rounded shape, and capsule shape and circular shape. Thank you so much.